The Samsung Frame Pro is the worst television I've ever owned. Welcome to TechVibes. The Frame series is all about aesthetics over performance, turning a black rectangle into a gallery piece. The matte panel is impressive, absorbing light to make digital art look convincingly analog. Samsung pioneered this, but rivals like Hisense and TCL now offer similar tech for much less. The Pro version introduces a wireless One Connect box using Wi-Fi 7 for 4K video. But it still needs a power cord. If you don't hide it, the whole illusion is shattered. Cable management is laughably inadequate. Unless your outlet is perfectly placed, get ready for drywall work. The mounting system is the stupidest I've seen. You'll likely miss every stud in your wall. In my old house, hanging 50 pounds on just drywall anchors felt like a disaster waiting to happen. I mounted mine at 55 inches, perfect for art, even if the too high crowd disagrees. There's a direct micro HDMI port, but it doesn't support ARC for your soundbars. It's wireless or nothing. The built-in speakers are criminally awful, the worst I've heard on any modern television. I bought the S801D to match. It looks great, but connectivity is a constant struggle. Nearby Wi-Fi 7 access points cause constant dialogue drops. I had to resort to Bluetooth. Software stability is non-existent. Menus are glacially slow and the experience is frustrating. A memory leak in the TV Plus app was the culprit. Disabling it makes the TV barely usable. HDMI CEC is a nightmare. Turning off my Apple TV just triggers art mode glitches. At least my phone is safe. Today's video is sponsored by Rhino Shield and their AirX case. The AirX absorbs up to 81% of impact force, protecting your internal components from shocks. It survived 24,000 tumble tests and it's 100% recyclable, much more durable than this TV. Use code SNAZZYLABS for 10% off at the links below. Now, back to the review. Wireless performance is mediocre. HDR content drops frames even with the box only 10 feet away. This isn't true mini LED, it's edge-lit. Night scenes suffer from smeary vertical banding. Default saturation is unhinged. I've had to stick with filmmaker mode just to keep it viewable. Don't pay $50 for the art store. Sideload high-res public domain art for free instead. With an ornate frame and no cables, the illusion is genuinely convincing in bright light. The Frame Pro is a $2,200 compromise. It only makes sense if you refuse to let your TV look like a TV. For everyone else, buy an OLED. Thanks for watching and stay snazzy.